Hello, welcome back. I'm Fawn Wolf, and in today's video, we're going to be covering how to make a vegan Spanish rice. This requires no cans, no animals. It's 100% plant-based and 100% delicious. So if you're into this kind of thing, because you're cool, you care about the environment, the animals, and good food, then please subscribe. Your support will help grow this channel so we can bring you more videos like this. Now let's get into it. So here's the ingredients. You can see we're gonna need rice, pick out some good tomatoes, a nice onion. You got some salt right there. That is some nutritional yeast. It's optional, but we use it for this recipe. And some garlic. And that's it. Very basic ingredients for a delicious Spanish rice recipe. You're going to want to chop up those tomatoes nice and fine, along with chopping up those onions and dicing that garlic. Keep that off to the side because we're going to end up blending this and adding it to how we're going to be cooking this Spanish rice. So grab a pot, toss the rice in, shake it up, and don't let it burn. You're going to get a nice aroma coming from this rice once it's cooked properly. All right, now when it gets to about this color, which is a nice golden brown, then you're going to want to take it off the heat. See how that rice is a nice golden brown color? That's what you're looking for. Those ingredients that we chopped up and left off to the side, which is the garlic, the onions, and the tomatoes, you're going to want to throw that into a blender. Add some salt to that as well, and give that a good blend. Now you're not going to want to have any chunks, so make sure to blend it up really good. All right, pot is back on the pan, and add in that nice tomato sauce. Now this is a very delicate part right here. The pot is hot, the rice is cooking, and so is the tomato. You can see that as it heats up, the color is going from lighter to darker. You're getting a nice rich color. At this point right here, if you don't stir it every couple seconds, it could burn. So make sure to give it a nice stir until the water is cooked all the way out and you're left with the rice having no water left in it, and you got kind of like this pasty rice mixture. And you can see here, this is what I'm talking about. You're going to want to have it like this. Once your rice is like that, add your water. Put in the rest of the salt, give it a little bit of a mix. And then now is the time to add the nutritional yeast. This nutritional yeast is going to give it a nice savory taste. Again, it's optional. If you don't have it, you can leave it out. But for this recipe, we added it. All right, once everything has been mixed up thoroughly, we're going to throw the lid on, turn the heat down for about 20 minutes. All right, once the 20 minutes is up, turn the heat off and remove the top. At this point, you're just gonna let the steam escape, okay? Take a good look at it, don't touch it, and then we're gonna put the lid back on for about 10 minutes. If you did this right, then it'll come out nice and fluffy like this, just like some Spanish rice you would get at the restaurant. And there you have it. There's the vegan Spanish rice, 100% plant-based, no cans, no animals, and 100% delicious. Serve that Spanish rice up with some beans and greens and you have yourself a complete meal. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment down below and let me know if you made this. Thanks for watching and enjoy.